Hey guys, so this is voiceovers of the last two trade I had this week. With RIVN, I pre-entered. It was mistake. I didn't listen to my algo's entries. So I average down when I see some sort of support. And my strategy was to exit at my first entry, as I did, and left some and took with some profit and left 200 shares for continuation. Um, Nothing special, but you can see the divergence was created, and this is the 15 seconds between the lowest lows, between the graph, the candle, and the stochastic. Which helped me to decide to get long, and you see the stock is moving higher, so we got some long continuation, but it doesn't mean that the stock will break the high. It just means that now at the moment the stock is in a momentum to the long side, so I took another 100 shares off and left the last 100 of the break. As you can see, I'm drawing now the I saw the short continuation, and when it failed to break the 124 and it break and immediately spike in and out, I knew it would fall down, but I didn't care much because I already finished my day, so I put my stop loss as my entry. And again, this is fast forward of the 15 seconds, so it was an 8-minute trade. The first profit was a quick one, 1 minute. So now it's fast forward. So I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. It will take me out and fall down because the momentum of RIVN, you see it's minus 4%. And I just took it for reversal, and with reversal it's when you take the reversal on a counter trend, take most of the profit very soon. This is the reason why I'm taking about between 80 to 90% of the profit. And then I saw a little bit of divergence, but there was no confirmation yet for the reversal, and probably in the few seconds it will take me out. So you see I'm drawing on the stochastic, you need to break the 50, and then it immediately you see what happened with the candle. It just spiked and took me out, and this is it for RIVN. For the next day, basically I had the same mistake. This is Tesla again, the 15 seconds. Sorry, I couldn't capture my first trade. It was you saw me enter again by mistake. My indicator didn't give me, but then I waited and waited, and I saw on the 11:14, 11:13 area of support, so I averaged down. And then it continued another candle of 15 seconds to move down, and basically I was screaming, and then I saw the divergence is creating. I waited for the candle to break below. I went to the 5-minute to get confirmation of some sort of support, and I see the divergence in the 5-minute. So I know there will be and the oversold and the deep oversold of Tesla in the 5 minutes. So I knew it should push higher. I stayed here on the 5 minutes because I knew I had mistakes. I need to take the most of the shares out because it's Tesla and very spready and very momentum. And you will see me even looking at the 5 minutes. I wasn't care. I just saw it spike at my entry, and I waited it to get up, and then I saw it moving up, so sell to the momentum, even though I could take another $200 profit. I didn't care because it was a mistake, so I didn't want my emotion to handle it. And then I saw the reversal to the downside, so I waited. You see on the stochastic higher high, and the candle lowers high, so it's a short continuation when Tesla is minus 3% on the downtrend, which could be a short entry, but it was already deep, almost 2 hours in the trade session, so probably Tesla can get rangy. And then on my algo indicator, I got some confirmation to get to position to the long side, so I entered. And then you see what happened. Few seconds later, it popped up. I waited. I only took 100 shares because I want to minimize my risk. I took 50 shares off before the breakout, and the rest of the 50 shares I waited because I see the momentum is on the positive side. I see the big volume getting in, so I know the stock should touch the 1130. So I waited a little bit more, waited for the volume to kick in, so I could sell, and then sold another 25, put some stop losses to on the a little bit below the zero. I was deep in profit and waited. And then see what happened. I forget I was trading Tesla. Basically, I forget about the ADR, and when I put the orders, I see the break of the 1130. When I put the orders of the OCO, I sometimes forget to adjust the profit and the loss. It was $1. You're gonna see me here canceling the order to exit a little bit more. Near the orange line is the 200 EMA, so I took 10 shares, 15 shares off, and then I put the order, and then immediately it took me out because I didn't have time to move the stop loss lower, but it was okay because it's Tesla, it's now, and it's bouncing off the 200. See how it listened to the 200. So this is it, guys. Basically the same mistake I took on reversal. I pre-entered, didn't listen to my indicator and my algo, but I managed to handle it correctly because even though I pre-enter it, I enter it near a support area, so it gave me a chance to get some profit, but be very careful with it. So hope you like it, guys, and learn something from it. So see you guys later.